What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Visit EPB.com to find the speed you need on Chattanooga's only 100% fiber optic network.
Twitter has more competition this week. Meta, Instagram's owner, has launched a Twitter-type social media platform they call Threads.
And in just 3 days, it was downloaded more than 55 million times and is currently the top app for iPhone and Android.
Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker looks at some things he says you need to know before you install.
Now, the Threads app is similar to Twitter. It's a micro-blogging social media platform where you can post up to 500 words. Everyone's talking about it, but before you download it, for FOMO, or fear of missing out, there are a few things you should know.
To install Threads, you must have an Instagram account, which is tied to your Threads app. Your handle or username is the same as Instagram. And if you find out you don't like Threads, you cannot delete it without deleting your Instagram account. You'll be prompted to add followers from Instagram, and you can search for others. Unlike Twitter, there's no feed for your followers. Meta's algorithm will mix those in with Thread accounts it thinks you're interested in. That makes it very noisy and crowded with accounts you're not following. You can block or mute accounts that you don't want to see. There are no hashtags. You can use them, but you can't search for hashtags if you want to follow a discussion. There are also no trending topics in Threads, and you cannot make lists of people you follow like you can on Twitter. And finally, privacy. Like all social media platforms, Threads tracks you. In its privacy policy, Threads says it collects data linked to your identity, including your health and fitness, financial information, contact information, purchases, location, search history, sensitive info, and other data. That can be just about anything or everything. By the way, Facebook and Instagram collect that information too.
No chance that privacy policy will ever change, but Meta says it will be adding features, possibly some of those features it's missing that we've come to love from Twitter. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Threads is the app of the day.